Welcome to our PVC foam board extrusion line. It all starts here. Raw PVC material is accurately fed into the system. At the heart of the line is the conical twin-screw extruder. It mixes, compresses, and melts the material with precision. Fully monitored by our intelligent electric control system, temperature, speed, and pressure are optimized in real time for stable, energy-efficient operation. The molten PVC passes through the mold, forming the initial board shape. Then moves to the calibrating table, where precise cooling and sizing ensure perfect thickness and a smooth surface. The shaped board enters the cooling frame for gradual, uniform temperature reduction, key to maintaining structural integrity. The haul-off device then pulls the board forward steadily, ensuring consistent speed and tension throughout the line. Edges are neatly trimmed. Dust collection system keeps the workspace clean and environmentally friendly. Finally, the cuts are cutting boards to required length. From material to finished board, our line is engineered for one goal: to produce superior PVC furniture and cabinet board, boost your productivity, and cut your costs. Ready to start or upgrade your production? Contact us today.